Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. I am Kalpana. Today is Mother's Day special. I am going to make carrot halwa. Carrot halwa is an Indian dessert. Very easy and simple to make. I am going to make it in the microwave. If you are new to the cooking and you wanted to do something special for your mom on this Mother's Day, this is the recipe for you guys. Not only that, if you're receiving some guests, you don't know what to do, sudden guests are coming and you don't know what to do, you can make this and surprise them also. Let me show you the ingredients. You need grated carrots, milk powder, yogurt, ghee, cardamom powder, condensed milk, cashew nuts, and a big glass bowl like this. It has to be microwave safe. I'm adding the condensed milk now. To that, I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now I'm going to mix them well without any lumps. Patiently, just mix it well. Once it's done, I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 5 minutes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. First I'm going to fry the cashew nuts. Wait for the ghee to melt. The ghee has melted. Now I'm going to fry the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown. It's now golden brown, so I'm going to just remove the cashew nuts. Removed all the cashew nuts. In the same ghee, I'm going to add the grated carrots and saute them until you get rid of the raw flavor of the carrots, and at the same time they will cook and also it will absorb all the moisture. You have to do it for like 3 to 4 minutes. After 5 minutes they look like this. Mix it well. Now I am going to add in some milk powder. I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk powder. We might need it later. So first I've added 2 tablespoons of milk powder and keep mixing. In the meantime, our carrots are cooking well. Another 2 more minutes to go. It's been 5 minutes. I'm sauteing this in the remaining ghee. So I think this is almost okay. So I'm going to switch off the flame. Now I'm transferring the sauteed carrots into this glass jar. And again mix it well. Once you mix it well, leave it in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Once we add in the carrot and mixed it well, I'm going to keep it, and again I'm going to heat it another 5 minutes. This is after the 5 minutes. It's getting thicker now. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of milk powder. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add in some cardamom powder. Pinch of salt. Again mix it well. Now I'm going to add in the cashew nut that we fried already. I'm going to add everything, mix it well, and again leave it in the microwave for another 3 minutes. After mixing well, I'm going to keep another 3 minutes. This is the last. I think after 3 minutes our carrot halwa will be ready. Just took out from the microwave after the 3 minutes. The carrot halwa is ready now. So simple and easy to make. Anybody can make it. So please try this and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.